You might be familiar with this data set. We have already done a video on this. So let us just restart and clear the output so that I can show you the steps for this video. The task for this video is to add a column and a row. So we will just quickly run through the things which we have already done. Pandas, load data frame, check data frame, rename, check again, then delete a column, check again, then filter, and then we check the data frame, and now comes our task. Now we need to know what kind of data frame is this, right? So let's first check the size, the shape. Now shape means 486 observations or 486 rows and 22 columns, and if you multiply them you'll get 10692, which is size over here. You can check that also, right? So now let's make a column which we will be adding, right? How do we make that column? To make that column, you just either have a column and you will just put that in your data frame, or you're making a column. So I am making a kind of a list right now. So either you can have a list or make a list. Now once I make that list, let's make that list. You can check this list. It's from 0 to 485. So we have 486 numbers. And then we just make this df filter age into a panda data frame. And then we add this list new call as a column new call in our data frame, and then check it. Over here you can see new call coming over here. Now how do we add a row to this? Now this data frame is quite big, our bank churners.csv. So what I will do is, I have restarted the kernel and cleared all the outputs. So what I will do now is, I will load another data frame and do the row addition in that data frame, because that is more logical part, because over here we have 22 columns, which is definitely not manageable, right? We will need to have either a row already which we will add directly, or we will have to make that row. So making a row having 22 observations is just not a good usage of your time. So I'll just load another data set. So just take df over here and Control V, just change the data frame. First of all, let's load the panda thing, then straight away come to this guy. The moment we have this, our task becomes a lot like R, right? So in R also we have done a similar kind of analysis. We made a row and then we inserted that. So how do we do that, right? So let's just make a row similar to what we have done in R. So this is the row which we'll be adding. So let's just shift enter this. Now we need to add this row into our df. So now we have added this new row into our data frame. So let's try to check that. How do we do that? First of all, we need to know that how many rows the data frame has. So df dot shape. So we have 892 rows. Let's just write over here 891, because in Python it starts from 0. So the 892 row is 891 index. So you can see over here, the name is Honey of Knowledge, sex is YouTube, internet, and so on, which we have entered over here. So we have successfully added a column and row in Python, similar to the exercise we did in R. We'll be adding more Python data videos in future.